Trying to find a room to go sit in.
Oh, are you on campus?
Yeah.
Nice.
Um, to tell Morgan that we were meeting up tonight until like 2 hours ago, and she hasn't responded yet.
Oh,
So that's kind of a bummer.
yeah. Hopefully she sees it.
Yeah. So, do you have this stuff down pretty good, or?
I think so. We'll see.
Yeah.
It seems like it's simple, but then I feel like I overthink it.
That's kind of what I was thinking. Like, it seems too simple, almost.
Yeah. Like I feel like it should be way harder.
Yeah.
And maybe it is, but I don't know. Yeah, we'll
Or
see
maybe
though.
it's not. Maybe it's just gonna be nice and easy.
Yeah. I did look at the online, like the group quiz thing, and it didn't seem too long.
Okay.
And some of them seemed pretty simple.
All good. I like simple.
Yeah, they were like, a couple were like with definition questions from the homework.
For the group quiz?
Yeah, like the last couple, I think.
Nice. I like
Yeah, they're
easy.
like,
I'm a big
and they're
fan.
all like multiple choice except for two, I think.
What was that?
They're all multiple
Oh,
choice
all
except
multiple
for
choice.
two. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So it shouldn't be too bad.
Are we allowed to use the textbook and stuff for this quiz? Or is it
I
just
think
us?
so. Let me see. I think it's we're allowed to use our notes and stuff.
Oh, cool.
Let me check. Mm, I think we are allowed to use our notes and whatever. Let me see. Doesn't say we can't.
Well, that's good news.
So
So yeah, we can just take that as permission to
look in the book and our homework and the prep.
all right. Where's everyone else?
Did you get a hold of Shayna?
Well, I guess it's only 9:01. I had this set up like 5 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, it is like 9. We can give him a couple minutes.
Yeah. Not gonna hurt anyone. Man, my camera's really behind. What other classes are you taking this semester?
I'm taking this and then physics. And
Oh,
then
just
I'm
the
just,
two?
hmm? What was that?
Sorry, what was that?
Oh, I didn't hear what you said.
So you're just taking those two?
Yeah, I'm off track, so I'm just working on campus and then taking those two.
Oh, never mind. Still nothing?
No.
Oh, cool. Is it uh, as hard as people say it is, or is
Physics?
my computer's really far behind?
Yeah, your camera's frozen.
That's fun.
Oh, but yeah, physics
Trying to
isn't
check my
that
connection.
hard, I don't think.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. And it kind of helps because my husband was the tutor for like 2 years. So he
Oh,
kind
that's
of,
nice.
yeah, he kind of helps me out.
Are you taking that one online too, or is it in
No, I'm
the?
taking that on campus.
Oh, cool.
Because I heard it was way more expensive to take it online because you have to buy all like the lab equipment.
Oh man, that would suck.
Yeah, and then I heard it was also harder because you don't have like a teacher there to like do experiments and stuff with you.
Right.
Yeah.
Wait, so what's the lab like? I didn't know there was.
So like the lab, we just do like last week we did projectile motion. So we had like little rockets. We had to like figure out where the like rocket would land before we did the actual like experiment. So we had to do like all the
Okay,
math first and then predict where it'd land. And then we just do like little lab reports.
sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it a lot, and the teacher's
Although I'd
really
rather
nice.
just keep the rocket. Patient, but I'll text them again real quick.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, and just go. Keep waiting.
Hmm?
Can you hear me? Am I
Yeah,
still frozen?
I can hear you.
Okay. Do you want to get going on it, or do you want to keep waiting for a minute?
Um, let's wait like 3 more minutes and then just start.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Computer keeps acting up on me.
Does it like freeze a lot?
Yeah, just like within the last week though, it hasn't been doing it until now.
Oh, it's weird.
Of course, I have been working it pretty hard for like 2 years now.
Oh yeah. My old computer, so I just got a new one, but I had my old one for like 7 years. So it was like ultra slow and nothing would load.
Yeah, this one I also use it for my job. It's on constantly, like 20 hours, 18 to 20 hours out of the day with work and school and stuff.
Oh wow. Yeah. That might be it.
Yeah. I think it just wants a break every now and then.
Yeah. And then you're doing online group meetings on it.
Yeah, just to add to the fun.
Okay. Well, I think we should go ahead and get started.
Yeah, yeah. Do you just want to go through the quiz?
Yeah, we can just do that.
Cool.
Let me
Awesome.
open it. Okay. Okay.
So, number 3. When taking samples of n, when n equals 5, what was the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? I think it's when n equals 5, is it still right skewed?
I think so. So, you know, like the little applet?
Yeah.
I tried using that to see if it did anything. And when I skewed it, it was right skewed when n equals 5. So I think it's skewed right.
Okay. That's kind of what I was seeing on. When taking samples of n equals 100, what was the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? It should be normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm going to do it real quick and make sure, but.
Wait, are you reading number 5 or number 4?
4? Did I read the wrong one?
Well,
Oh,
my 5 has normally
no,
distributed.
yeah, you're right. I skipped down to the bottom one in the
Oh,
middle
okay.
of the
I just
sentence.
wasn't sure. It's like, okay, so 5 would be normal. Let's see. I'm gonna try and double check that.
Wait, how do you make n equal 100 on here? I can only go up to 25.
Oh, I don't think you can. Um, hmm. Let me see. The question was, would it be right skewed as well?
I'm not sure.
Let's see.
Because, like, textbook is 7 or the sample size is large. The normal distribution, but I'm not sure.
Parent population is skewed.
Right.
N equals Because when I do the little thing and I skewed it. Well, let's try this. I think it might be normal.
For 100?
So I was doing the little applet thing, and I skewed it, and I did like n equals 16. But then I clicked the like 100,000 button, and the little histogram shows like a normal little shape for the mean. Even though the parent data was, or parent population was skewed. We can come back to these ones because I think these are the ones I'm not sure about.
Okay.
It's like we can
you want to move on to
do.
6?
Yeah.
Okay. So when will the distribution be distributed?
So it's when it's drawn from a population that is large, the sample size is large, and it can be normally distributed or right skewed. So I did like those two. I think that's.
My laptop. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay. It just froze on me for a second.
Oh, sorry.
All right. So when data are drawn from, this is not cool. So data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small?
No, if it's large.
Okay. Wouldn't it, if it's a small sample size distributed population, wouldn't it still be normally distributed?
Well, so I'm looking in the book for like when is
Okay.
it normal, and it says like the sample mean will be approximately normal if the sample size is sufficiently large. And then it says like what's considered large is about 30.
Yeah.
It's just a rule of thumb number.
What's the central limit theorem part?
That is the central theorem. Let me look real quick. If the sample size is large, the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed.
Okay. Wait, so 3.1 is parent population is normal and the sampling distribution will always be normally distributed no matter how many observations are selected.
I didn't hear the first part of what you said.
Okay. So section 3.1, that first bullet point, if the parent population is normal, then the sampling distribution of the mean will always be normal. Will always be normally distributed no matter how many observations are selected.
Yeah. And then it says for tremendously skewed distributions, a much larger sample will be required before the sample means is approximately normal.
My computer's doing this enough. Sorry, did you say something?
Oh, under 3.1, the last bullet point says for like skewed distributions, a much larger sample will be required.
And is that where it says the 30?
No. Oh wait, yeah. It says if it's at least 30, we will conclude that it's approximately normal.
But if the tremendously skewed one, it says it may require billions of observations.
But it says for this course, if the sample size is 30, we will conclude that it's normal.
Okay, all right, cool. So for 6, data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. And the same, but if the sample size is large, those are both going to be it. Data drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small is not going to be it.
No.
But data drawn from a sample size is large. Okay, cool. So all but one on there. Okay. And 7. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem?
I think it's the last one. It says if the sample size is large, the shape of the sampling distribution of the sample mean x bar will be approximately normal.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
That sounds weird.
Okay, number 8. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means? Would it just be 10?
Wait, what was that?
For number 8, would that just be 10?
Yeah.
I think so, because I
Why
think,
would it be 10?
let me
Oh, because
see.
the population is 10 and it's over 30, so it should be normal, right? Is that what you're saying?
Well, so in the preparation assignment, one of the questions asked what is the mean of the sampling distribution? And it was just the mean that they gave you.
Oh, cool. So we want to go with 10 on that?
Yeah, I think it's 10. Hope it's 10.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of means?
This is the part that I don't understand. Is there like some kind of math stuff that we're supposed to learn here?
Yeah, there's a little formula, and it's the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
And n is what?
So it gives us n in the problem. It says n is 36. And then the standard deviation is 6.
Wait, so n is n is 36, right? Okay. So 6 divided by 6 is 1?
Yeah, that's what I got. 1.000.
Right. Yeah, I guess.
Because there's no decimals.
Okay. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large and is greater than 30, what would be the shape distribution of the distribution of the sample mean? Normal, right?
Yeah, I would think normal.
Okay.
And then because of the central limit theorem. Oh,
right.
yeah, that's number 11.
So then back to questions 4 and 5.
Mm-hmm.
100 is definitely over 30.
Yeah, so it'd be normal.
Yeah, I guess so. And then 5 would be normal as well, right?
Mm-hmm. I think it's just normal then, since it's a large sample size.
Right. So 3 was skewed right, 4 was normal, 5 was normal, 6 was all but data drawn from a population that is skewed right in a small sample size. 7, we put if the sample size is large, the shape of the sampling distribution of the sample's mean will be approximately normal.
Mm-hmm.
8 was 10. Why was 8 10 again? I'm still kind of confused on that one.
So it says, what is the mean of the distribution of sample means? And then it gives you the mean as 10. And in the preparation assignment, under like 8C, it says, what is the mean of the sampling distribution in like that example? And it says the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean is equal to that of the parent population.
Okay.
So that's why I think
Is
it's
that
10.
just like as long as it's greater than 30?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
And then the equation for 9 was 6 divided by square root of 36 equals our
1.
0. And then normal and central limit theorem. Awesome. We ready?
Yeah.
See if this will let me submit it.
Okay, let me make sure. To the first two.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oops. Okay. See? Sweet. 100%.
Awesome.
Looks like we understood it.
Yeah. That's good. So like the homework thing that was due last weekend, I took Sunday morning. I was like, oh no. And so it still let me turn it in though. So that was nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's
But
nice.
yeah, I
And
did
you
a
still
couple.
got like full credit for it?
Yeah. Except I did a couple
For
of them
now?
wrong. And then, like I meant to choose one of the answers twice, and I kept clicking the wrong one for some reason.
Oh, wow.
I did it twice, so that was dumb. But I figured since it was late, it's all right. I can take a penalty on it. I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't too bummed about it.
That's nice though.
All right. Well,
Well, got it done.
but good job.
Yeah, same to you.
Okay. See you
Thursday?
Thursday.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Awesome.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.